Today, we dive headfirst into summer with one of the most delicious and easy to make desserts we've made yet. Peanut butter cups are packed with great macros, can be made to satisfy your sweet tooth, and are being made possible by the help of our sponsor and their perfect keto nut butter. So let's just jump right into them. For this one, you'll need either a food processor or large mixing bowl. A food processor will make things a bit easier, but it's not really needed. Start by adding into it 8 ounces of softened cream cheese so you don't end up with chunks, 2 scoops of your choice protein powder, 1/4 cup of a keto-friendly sweetener, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of your choice flavor, perfect keto nut butter. Today I'm using chocolate hazelnut, 1/4 cup of a milk substitute, and 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Mix those up for a couple minutes or until they're smooth like this. Next, take out and add into a stovetop pan or microwave 1 tablespoon of butter and 10 tablespoons of keto-friendly chocolate chips. Keep those moving until melted using whatever method you prefer. Once your chocolate is melted, take out some silicone cups. Now you have 2 options. Option number 1, add your chocolate into the bottom of your cups and throw them in the freezer if you want a full shell. Or option 2, which is my preference, evenly distribute your mix into the bottom of your cups. Using your finger will work best for this. Follow by topping them with your chocolate and throwing them into the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. Once frozen, they'll look like this and taste just like a peanut butter cup ice cream bar. So there you are, a summer sweet tooth killer made in 10 minutes or less. You can easily switch up the flavor of these by using different powders or perfect keto nut butter flavors. Speaking of perfect keto, this company has taken keto-friendly products to the next level. From cookies, to bars, to the nut butters you saw here, and it's all delicious. I've been hooked on adding a little nut butter into my coffee. You can check out the full product line in the link below or the link on our website. They also set me up with a code for you all if you want to try their nut butters. Buy 2, get 1 free, which I'll also put below. With that said, before we end this, drop a comment with something you wish that was keto, but isn't yet. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up button to help with engagement. And of course, stay healthy.